YouTube, you won't believe it, and I don't believe it either, but I'm back already with a brand new sneaker video. This time, I won another pair of Adidas Yeezys on the Confirmed app. I won the 350 V2 Onyx. Yeah, let's check it out. Open the box. Try and do this one hand. Damn it. I'll be right back. All right. Check it out in the box. 15. We got Onyx, Onyx, Onyx. Well, one-handing opening the boxes. Not the easiest thing in the world. I'll be back again. All right. These are nothing crazy. These are just all black Yeezys, but hey, these, you can wear these to weddings, to job interviews, all that stuff. Nobody's really gonna look twice at your shoes, and if they do, you know. Let's take a look at them. Black and white on the bottom. See the boost right there. Nothing special or fancy about this color. These are the V2s, by the way, so that's why they have this tab here. And they don't have the SPLY 350. Really soft, really thin in this area. It's probably easily gonna rip, so be careful with that. And the rest is pretty much a standard 350. Here's the 3M. I'm gonna put on the flash so we can look a little bit better. Basic shoe, but hey, basic but nice. And I got them for retail. All right, let's take a look at them now with the flash on. Wow. This is the flash on. You can see the 3M and the 3 stripes right there. No 3M anywhere else, I think. No, definitely not. Let's take a look at the bottoms again. Nothing special. Black with the white boost in the bottom. Nothing special, nothing crazy. But these are just like essential shoes, you know? Essential sneakers. Especially if you like Yeezys, if you like Ultra Boost. It's a very essential sneaker. Just like the 700s I got, we got the Yeezy and the World Globe on the insole. Yeah. So again, nothing special, nothing too crazy about these shoes, but incredible comfort and they're essentials. So let's get that on feet right now. So before we do the on feet, one more thing I wanted to say about these sneakers is I got 2 pairs, baby. I got one to rock and one I'm gonna, not really sure what I'm gonna do with the other, but most likely I'm keeping both. But I was actually able to double up on the Adidas Confirmed app and on feet video now.